Hi everybody, welcome back.
Hi, welcome back.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I've got a really very exciting reveal for you guys, and it comes in a Chanel bag. So anytime it comes in a Chanel bag, it is very exciting. I don't know how many of you follow me on Instagram, but if you don't, this is my Instagram handle. I posted a picture there of me carrying this huge Chanel bag, and then there was another Chanel bag kind of tucked at the side, which is this particular one. So that was actually not two Chanel items, okay, it was just one. It's just that that day I went for a massive shopping. I posted another picture about me going through shopping with withdrawals. I had withdrawal from shopping. So I went shopping over the public holiday and I bought an item. So the other particular shopping bag, Chanel shopping bag, was nothing. Okay, it didn't contain anything. It was just my other stuff. And the essay at Chanel, she was like, "You're carrying so many small bags." So I had a Watson bag. I had another Takashimaya bag. I had some grocery bags. I had 4 or 5 bags, paper bags and plastic bags, and then this particular Chanel bag. So she's like, "Why don't you put everything in one big paper bag?" So she gave me this big Chanel paper bag and I dumped everything inside. So when I walked out of Chanel, I looked as if I bought something giant from Chanel, and I got this other item. So it looked a little bit mad, but actually it was like a dump bag. You just dump everything inside. I want to keep you guys in suspense a little bit longer. Let me just show you what I got along with this item. So it obviously comes with my receipt. So this is my really important receipt, and I will have to keep that properly. I also got a few things from her. So she gave me this a little booklet which has information about jewelry. So this is not jewelry, okay, but she gave me some information about jewelry which is from Chanel. Rings and more rings and all that. I'll take a look at it, but I'm not really into Chanel jewelry. As she knows, I travel quite a bit, so she gave me 2 of these invitation cards to the Chanel Beauty Lounge. So sometimes for if you travel quite a lot, you can actually go a little bit earlier. I don't normally go earlier, but you can actually go earlier to the terminal after the departure after the immigration at Chanel. I think it's Terminal 3. Let me check. Yeah, at Terminal 3, and they have a really beautiful section. I think they have SK2, they have, I can't remember what they have, but they have SK2, they have Chanel upstairs where you can actually go a little bit earlier and get a facial, get a massage, get a pedicure, get a manicure, and it's actually their beauty lounge. So she gave me 2 invites and I can book ahead of time, and if I feel like it, I can get a facial before my flight. She also gave me this beautiful card handwritten by her. Since my first time. Oh, is it my first time? Yes, it's my first time receiving a card from her. So she's got a little picture of Coco Chanel there, Karl Lagerfeld drawing, and it's got a handwritten note here. It says here that, "Dearest Catherine, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to assist you every time. Looking forward to render my assistance to you in the future. With love from..." She said it was okay to tell her name. So her name's June, and she's actually at the Chanel Takashimaya. So she gave me a card, and she gave me some Japanese biscuits. I was shocked. I was shocked. Okay, I was shocked. I was like, what? Gave me something so nice. So let me open this before I open the big thing. So it comes so beautifully packaged, and look at that. I love Japanese packaging stuff. So there are 5 packets. Oh, look at that. Crackers like this. So I'm gonna open this one, and you can see. Can even eat the box, and there's crackers. And look, there's a little tortoise. Oh my god, it's so good. That was really sweet of her. I felt so loved. Okay, so anyway, let's get down to this item. So if you haven't watched my 2018 shopping list, I will link it up here and in the description box below. But if you have watched it, let me show you what I got. I did it. I didn't wait, so I did it, and this is what it comes in. Oh, okay. Really nice, sleek, don't know whether it's leather or faux leather kind of box. There is the booklet with the authenticity card, comes with 2-year warranty, and she also told me that on the 23rd month, Chanel will send me a kind of like a message to come and bring this item for a checkup. So, are you guys ready? Revealing my brand new Chanel J12 automatic in size 38mm and in black ceramic. Ah! Okay, let me just put down the box and let me take out the watch and let's talk about it. So I think in my previous video when I was talking about my shopping list, I wanted to wait, but I don't know, I just went for it, you know, what the heck, why wait, right? So this watch, let me get my other watch, which is my Cartier Santos 100. So this actually kind of made me more comfortable towards bigger watches. When I put these two together, actually the J12 is a little bit bigger. It does look, I'll put a close up and you can see the head, you know, the round, the bezel, it is bigger. I don't really know all the right terminology for watches, so please forgive me. Don't be like, that's not called a bezel. Whatever, I don't care, okay? Yeah, so the watch face, it is bigger, and yeah, I don't know, I've tried it several times before I got it, and the size 38mm, because I have quite small wrists, I have really like small right here, I don't know, it just felt a little bit too big. But I guess it's about getting used to the watch, so let me put it on and you can see. So it snaps in like this. I don't really need to talk about this, you know, this particular watch too much. I have seen a few reviews about it on YouTube, not too many, so I guess I can do a little bit of review like how a user experience is like for this watch. So this is what it is on, this is how it looks like on my hand. I think it looks okay. I think it's not so overwhelmingly big. I can kind of work. I can kind of make it work. So let me talk a little bit about why I picked this particular color and this particular design and everything. So I was talking to a very beautiful, very wonderful Instagram friend. Hi babe, you know who you are. So she gave me a lot of good advice. Okay, she gave me a lot of good advice about how to check the watch and, you know, check the links and all. I don't know if I followed it correctly. I think yeah, I think they should have put this particular one over here, but I don't really care. I think it's okay. I think they should have, in terms of the adjustment, she should have put this particular loop on this side. I could probably ask them to do it. Yeah, I could probably ask them to do it later. Yeah, okay, that's alright. So I had all the intention to get the white. So I went in, before I went in, I actually told my SA, I said, hey, I'm coming in. Can you keep aside 3 watches for me? So she kept the white version, which is the automatic 38. She kept the white version in 33, but it's quartz. And then I also told her, hey, why don't you just keep the black version aside for me as well, for me to just kind of like get a feel of the color. So I had all the intention to buy the white, and but there was a voice at the back of my head, like something, even before I spoke to my Instagram friend, I already felt like there is something about the white that I'm not so comfortable with. I don't know, maybe it's because it's white, it'll get dirty, which she told me it won't get really dirty, and it won't get dirty. But there was something about the white that I was like not 100% comfortable with. There was one more reason is because I felt like the white is really like loud. It really stands out, and because it's already a big watch and it stands out even more, I don't know, I maybe felt a little bit uncomfortable for it. So when I went in, I had all the intention to get white still, okay, even though I had this voice inside my back of my head going like, it's a bit louder, you know, it's a little bit louder, are you sure you want it? And I was like, I really like the white, like my mind, like I love the look of the white on people, I love it. But when I tried it on, it didn't go. It just didn't click. It just didn't look that right. But when I tried on the black, it was like, oh yes, that's the one. There was another voice in my head saying, okay, the one with diamonds, but I thought, okay, that's a little bit much. Okay, we'll go step by step. So I got the basic one, which I like. I like the way the white dial reflects against the black background. I think it's very, very stunning. And let me just, I don't know if you guys can see it, the sticker is still on. So I purposely kept the sticker on so that we can do it together. Let's peel it off. I'm peeling it off!
Oh no!
Oh my god. It's coming off. It's coming.
I want.
It's... Oh my god, it's going off. Rip it off! Rip it off! Rip it off! Oh wow. Oh wow. That's pretty. I would keep the sticker on until it peels off by itself, but that's a bit ridiculous. Okay, so there is one more sticker here, and let's take that out as well. Be live on camera. Oh, sorry. So there are beautiful details on this watch. There's a little Chanel here, and then at the back it just says Chanel J12. There's the code, it says Swiss made, it is water resistance up to 200 meters, and it's automatic. It is stunning. Okay, it is stunning. Big reveal. Let me just show you the watch. I'm gonna wear both of the watches. Whoo! 2 watches. I don't know, they kind of like look about the same size, but I feel like the J12 just looks a little bit bigger, and actually the white looks a lot bigger because I guess it's white, and then black tends to make you look a little bit smaller and slimmer, right? So I feel like the black somehow looks really good on me, and yeah, I'm rather happy with this purchase. Let me just show you what else I got from her. So it comes in a box, just a simple box like this, with this spongy thing where you can keep your watch inside looking pretty. Let me stuck in it. Then where is that little pouch? The little pouch here which has the word Chanel on it. So this is where the extra links, I'm keeping the extra links here. So I actually had to adjust it twice. The first time she adjusted it, I was in store and it was like perfect. I could put like a finger through like this, like one finger through in the store. And I don't know why, but the next day when I tried to wear it again, it was too tight. Like I think in the store, because of the aircon and everything, my hand just shrunk. But the next morning when I woke up and I tried to wear it, it was like fitting, like just like this, like it couldn't move at all. So I had to go back and resize it. So I add a little smaller link, and now as you can see, it is loose, but it's not so loose that I feel uncomfortable that it's sliding up and down my hand. This is like the perfect looseness, you see? Up a little bit and down, you see? Like that. This is perfect because in the morning, like you got water retention, or during the day you're moving around, your body's hot. Actually, my body did swell up so much that I couldn't even put a finger through. Right now, even though it is in the afternoon, I can put a finger through like that. It's perfect. So this is like the best setting for me. Because she knew that I travel a lot, she also gave me a travel pouch. So this is a small little travel pouch, and I can actually loop my watch here. So let me show you. See? I can loop it here like that, zip it up, and bring it together with my luggage. So I do really like this. It is a little bit bulky, but let's say if I have a bigger bag and I don't really want to just like dump my watch inside, you know, just like dump my watch in, and I don't have a proper pouch, I can actually bring this along with me. It is a little bit bulky, but I do really like the fact that it protects the watch very well. Another way that I have been also kind of keeping my watches, you know, when I go to the gym, sometimes I don't want to be wearing my watch, I put it aside. I bring this Marc Jacobs, this is where they put the blush in. I actually can put my watch inside. So my Cartier watch fits in like that, and it has a little button. It doesn't really protect the watch from any impact, but it protects the watch from scratches or, you know, bumps and all that, just light bumps in your bag. So I do bring this along with me when I'm wearing my watches. So I think it will fit as well. Yeah, it fits as well. I do like to keep this kind of little pouches along with me, a little bit less bulky, but I guess if I'm traveling for like, you know, in the plane and all, I want to keep my watch in my luggage. This is very good to my hand carry, okay, not my check-in luggage, but my hand carry. This is very good because it does protect the watch from more impact. See, it is, yeah, it's much better. So that's my big reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the J12 watch, I don't have like the best knowledge of the history of the watch. I read up a lot about it, but it's not about the history, I guess. I feel like I like the watch as a fashionable item, as a very functional and fashionable item. Yeah, if you have any questions about the wear, the wear and tear, how it works, how long it lasts 2 days. I'm pretty sure the automatic watch lasts just about 2 days right now. Yeah, if you have any of those kind of questions from a user perspective, I can definitely take note, and in my future review video, I will definitely answer them. For now, I am going to enjoy this watch as a really beautiful accessory because I am very happy with this purchase. If any of you, if any of you have this particular watch or this particular model, or even the model with the diamonds and all, let me know, if there anything that I should watch out for as a new user. Like, I shouldn't be running with it, swimming with it, I shouldn't be, wearing it 24 hours, or, there are things that as a new user, I don't really know. But if any of you have this watch and there are things that you guys know that I should know, please let me know in the comments down below as well. So anyway, you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video.